Today I'm gonna be doing a video of my backyard tour. This is the second time I'm doing a backyard tour video. I did one on another channel a few years ago, I think the year before last, and I just want to do this every single year at the turn of every season because I really want to be able to see the different progress that's happening or evolutions of my backyard, and the only way to do so is to document it, right? So I'll start at the front. I won't necessarily show you maybe I'll show you the front as well, but I'll show you just the backyard or the side and backyards, and then maybe we'll do the front garden as well just to see what's happening there. Yeah, like I really want to post more plant videos on this channel, and I probably will, but yeah, I just wanted to start with this tour and then I'll show you guys what my plans are for this growing season. So at the front of the house, or the side of the house, on one side of the house, is this entryway. I really don't like the way this pipe looks. It's like I don't know, I need to ask Morgan what it's about, but I would love for it to look better than what it looks like right now. And I mean, we have so much work to do in terms of the stairs and all this type of stuff, but we're not focused on that this year. This is just gonna be for the garden. Okay, so to give you a sense, this front part right here is its own little garden area. I mean, there's obviously lots of snow here, but imagine that it's got like a little edging thing. And then I turned this entire front into like a flower garden. So I got rid of all the grass, and then Morgan did a little bit of tilling. Honestly, I've not had any success on this area yet because the deer seem to love anything I plant in here. Our fence has fallen, and so it has a tree there, but anyways, hopefully all this will be fixed before the season starts. Okay, so when you enter, this is basically what this entrance looks like. And right now on the sides of the fence, I'm thinking of doing some raised beds there, probably metal ones or steel. I want to get rid of this clothesline because we don't use it. We have one downstairs and a dryer, obviously. But this is the garden area. So this is a 12 by 16 feet, I think, garden. And at this point, I'm not gonna spend too much time thinking about or worrying about just different things. I'm just gonna do in-ground planting this year and see how that goes, because the people who lived here before seem to have been really good with their garden. We have so much cleanup because you can see the trees have fallen, and we need to get rid of that. I might do some pots in this area, so right next to the shed there, I think we'll do like some, I don't know, some type of planter thing, maybe a veg trunk looking thing, and or grow bags or something. Let me see if I can do it this way. So yeah, so this is what the view looks like from here. And then yeah, all this area is entertainment space, I guess. And the hope is that this patch, which is grass right now, I want to talk to Morgan to see what we can turn it into so that we can use it more efficiently. Right now we have these cement blocks or whatever on the cement tiles on this area, and we currently do our barbecue and stuff like that. That's my worm compost, which really should be inside, but so our first year here, I actually turned this area into the garden. So this fenced area was all my garden area, and it was just grow bags. And on the side there of the shed, there's like rhubarb that's still growing there from the previous owners. And this year we're turning this entire space into just lawn because we have a 1-year-old who would love this space, obviously. But I think that yeah, I think it's gonna look really nice to have that much green space. Yeah, so this is the view from here, and that's where the shed is. So all this will be lawn, and then at the corner there we have the compost that's still there. We've not used it. It's one of those large compost things, and hopefully one of these days we'll use it. Yeah, nothing much here. This is the side of the house. So this is this side of the house. Over here as well, I plan on putting at least one growth something of some sort. So maybe over here, like a veg truck situation, or I'll ask Morgan to build me something. And then I'm planning on using this wall, so perhaps to grow the strawberries. I don't know, but I really want to make use of this wall because it gets so much sun. Over here we just have, I don't know what tree this is. Yeah, I don't know what tree this is, but we're not changing this for any reason whatsoever. We do have a rose bush or rose plant here. This is what this is. That's the only thing that I can identify. Oh, I didn't even see that. I have to tell Morgan. That looks like an accident waiting to happen. Anyways, okay, yeah, so this is the second gate to our house. Oh, I can't even leave because of the snow. But I'm not going to show you guys the front, but we have a mini cement garden at the front of the house. I'll show you that another time. Or yeah, I'm too lazy to go around the house right now. But since this is mostly just a backyard tour, it shouldn't matter. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. So I plan on posting more content about our outdoor DIY stuff that we're working on, and for sure gardening and that sort of thing on this channel as well, because it's part of my home life. But anyways, I will end this video now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.